During an important meeting, chaos erupts when a cat jumps onto the keyboard. But this isn't an accident. The cat is secretly sending messages. What is the hidden message? The cat types a code for help. Suddenly, a mysterious figure appears. Could this be a dangerous spy? The cat's coded message was a warning. But wait, it gets crazier. The human misunderstood the cat's message. The real danger was inside the meeting. As the cat continues, clues unravel. What was intended as a simple meeting turned into a thrilling investigation. With the cat's help, they uncover the truth. But the cat knew all along. Was this cat a genius or just lucky? In the end, who really runs the show?